welcome back to your VPS e-learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have explained the conjunction. Today I am going to start your new chapter, that is lesson 16, interjections beta. In this what first of all question arise that what do you mean by interjection? So interjections are used for the some sudden feeling. These are the words which are used as for sudden feeling beta. So some sudden which is used to express some sudden feelings like alas, ah, oh, okay, for surprise, sorrow, okay, and sadness, okay. This type of words are used to express some sudden feelings. Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class beta. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson number 15 conjunction bacha. Today I am going to start with your new chapter, that is lesson 16 interjections. So first of all question arise that what do you mean by interjection? So interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feeling of joy, surprise, pain or sorrow. It means interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feelings. Means if you hurt yourself like this baby in the picture you are seeing na, he cut his thumb. That's why blood is coming out. So it is the sudden feeling of pain. So interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feeling, like this child is saying that ouch, I have cut my thumb. So ouch is the sudden noise which has come out from the child's mouth beta. So interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feeling of joy, surprise, pain or sorrow. And some of the common interjections are hurrah, alas, ouch, oh, oh, hi, oops, etc. This type of words are used in interjection beta. So, first example for this, hurrah for the weekend. When we are very happy, we use the word hurrah. Okay. Ouch, I have cut my thumb. This is the example of this child. Oh, you have come. Is that true? So these are all sudden words like hurrah, ouch, oh and Okay children? So now I am going to tell you how can you write in your English language fair copy definition of interjection beta. So open your English language copy. So this is your English language copy. Mention lesson number 16 interjections at the right side classwork and today's date, that is 1, 2 and 21 beta. Definition, you can write the heading like this. Interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feeling of joy, surprise, pain, sorrow, etc. Okay, it is clear to you all. So write it like this in your English language fair copy children. Interjections are the words which are used to express some sudden feeling of joy, surprise, pain, sorrow. Okay. For example, ouch, I have cut my thumb. Okay. So ouch is the sudden word. When you get pain from anything, it will be said like this. Next is, oh, you have come. So in the above sentences, ouch, oh, this type of words are used to express the sudden feelings. So you can complete it in your English language fair copy. Okay beta? Come to the exercise A now. Exercise A is given like this. Encircle the interjections. So sentences are given like this. Oh, what a beautiful rose. So you can encircle the interjection only. So we can encircle O. Next is bravo. Sachin, well played. So bravo is the word which is used as interjection. So we encircle it. Next is hey, you dropped your key. So hey is the interjection beta. Interjection word. Next is alas, she has lost her mother. So alas word we encircle because it is interjection. Next is wow, Dhoni has hit the ball out of the stadium. So wow is the used as interjection beta. Come to the next exercise B now. So this is the fill up the blanks. You have to fill the interjection words in that. Okay. You have to supply some suitable interjections in the blanks. First is dash do not make a noise. Oh, do not make a noise. Next, dash what are you doing there? Hey, what are you doing there? So, hey is the word, you can fill it like this. Next is hurrah, our team has won. Next is oops, what a cute baby. Next, oh, you frighten me. So, you have to fill like this as I have completed. So, you have to complete in your English language fair copy, children. Okay? Complete it neatly, nicely. And what is your homework for today? You have to learn the definition and revise the exercises beta. Okay? Complete it with the help of blue and black pen and give one line space like this as I have completed. So it will be look nice and it will be easy for you to learn the chapter also. Okay children. So go through the chapter, complete it, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. Thank you beta.